Folks, we've got ourselves a situation on our hands. So about 20 minutes ago, we got this running. There's a separate video of that. This is my 1987 Yamaha TT225. You've seen stuff about it on the channel. I said I was going to get it running. We did. We got it pull started with the Ford. Because Kickstarter is absolutely crapped. Then we figured out first gear is absolutely crap, so we would just run it in second. We're running it around for about 5 minutes behind the house on the road and stuff. We're coming back cruising along the road. Tanner's riding it, I'm on his 200. And wait for, as I was saying, we're running this behind the house on the road, back in the industrial complex back there, kind of. And we're cruising back, Tanner's on this, I'm on his 200. And he's riding it, he starts looking over the side. We get into the yard, he says he heard knocking and that he thinks it's blown up.
Sounds like it spun a bearing.
Yeah. So, we're gonna have to tear this thing apart, tear the motor out.
It was also huffing out the breather.
Yeah, it was. Other than that, it was running good in the 5 minutes we had it running. We just, now, on the Cletus Hambone YouTube channel, we have to fix this. Trying to pull start the Yamaha.
Help him grab this clutch.
I didn't hear you say stop.
Well, it seems fine, I guess.
You think it was the chain?
Probably. Or the spark plug. Probably both. I don't know what the hell that's squeaking.
Remember, first is blown.
I know. You can still move it.
Throw it in the back seat.
Hook the GoPro up to the white helmet.
Okay. Alright folks, welcome. Should I start in second? Yeah. Okay guys, this is my first time ever riding my bike. This is my Yamaha TT225. Bought it off the marketplace for $350. Thought it was blown up. I don't know, the front tire is cooked. Both of them are dry rotted, the front and the back, but yeah, I also have no brakes, which is beautiful. was like, it clicked twice. Like it went, when I was coming into the yard, it clicked twice and then it started squeaking again and died. That was a great 30 seconds. Fourth? Oh well, that was fun. So yeah, it's smoking. At least it's got a little bit of a Kickstarter. Not much, but it's... When did my dad send that? Huh? 308. So like I was saying before I came back, got this for 350 bucks off a marketplace down in Fort Wayne. Worth it, but it's a piece of work. Definitely got stuff to do. Gonna have to pull the motor. I want to do like a full engine rebuild, but it's really got a new top end. Yeah, well folks, thank you for tuning in. I'll hopefully fill you guys in later. I think it blew up again, or it didn't blow up, it's just huffing out of the breather. I think I'm done with it. Yeah, I'm done with it for now. No. I heard two big clacks. I probably got it on recording. And then I put it in neutral. I held the clutch in and then it died. Well, folks, I got another problem to solve with that TT225. Hope you all enjoyed this little video. Subscribe and tune in for more.